Israel Cancer Association USA is the U.S. arm of Israel Cancer Association, the oldest, largest, and leading health-related charitable organization in Israel, funded entirely by private contributions without government support. ICA USA funds scientists in Israel conducting groundbreaking cancer research that may be used globally. This year, 41 fellowship grants are in need of funding, having been selected by the ICA Scientific Research Committee in Israel. We look to our donors to meet this goal.
Our fellowships are sent directly to Israel to fund approved projects at principal universities, institutes, and hospitals. Research in Israel costs a fraction of what it does in the United States. Recently, we funded a fellowship that led to the development of a probe that makes cancer cells glow, making it easier to remove them during surgery.
Early research we funded for Professor Michal Lotem at Hadassah led to the development of immunotherapy treatment for stage 4 metastatic melanoma that is used in the United States and world over. It's very rewarding to us to know that the donations we have made will be a significant investment in the fight against cancer.
I'm on the board of Israel Cancer. I funded a fellowship in stem cell research to honor my wife on our 50th wedding anniversary. A fellowship for Israel Cancer Association costs $22,000. And can be paid over 2 years. The funds go directly to the doctor of your choice. I urge all of you to continue to support Israel Cancer Association.
Steve and I have been actively involved as executive board members of ICA USA for about a decade. And because of our love for Israel and desire to support a cure for a disease that has affected us all.
With a 4-star charity NAV rating, 100% of the fellowship money we raise goes to scientists who are specially trained at the many important academic research facilities in Israel.
Each year, we look forward to co-chairing events because it brings together friends, both new and old, for this great cause.
We ask that you consider getting involved to make a difference. Change happens because of you. Remember, our 2-year fellowships only cost $22,000. Compared to as much as 10 times that if done in the U.S. without sacrificing quality.
It does take a team to succeed, so please join us today with your pledge.
Thank you.
ICA awards fellowships on an annual basis to researchers and oncologists performing research at hospitals, clinics, and recognized medical and academic institutions across Israel. I am honored to serve on the board of Israel Cancer Association USA. My wife and I are extremely grateful to be part of such a wonderful organization. My wife's mother, sadly, passed away from ovarian cancer at a very young age. How proud we now are to be able to make a difference in the fight against cancer. It is truly amazing that only $22,000 can fund 2 full years of cancer research. We are thankful to be a part of ICA USA and look forward to the future.
נשמח לעזרתכם ותרומתכם.